been a massive blow for Utrecht, who started the season so well, to be thumped by PSV at home as they come again looking for a second, and well, Min couldn't get on the end of it. Rodriguez popping up all over the place at the moment. Iqbal with a goal from distance, and what a goal, even he looks shocked. Zēdaan Iqbal gets a second for Utrecht just before the break, and they are flying tonight and the season so far. What a beauty that was. Utrecht really have dominated this game since they took the lead. And Bakker will know that this isn't the first time it's happened this season, a goal from distance. Zēdaan Iqbal arriving here on the edge of the penalty area after Almira struggled to get the ball away, and for the 7th time this season Almira have conceded from outside the penalty area. But what a